So this is the hanging gamepad holder. So if you want to know how to make this, watch this video.
Get ready.
This is what we need for making hanging gamepad holder. Wood, metal plate. This is for car phone holder, and a magnet magnet like this. So the reason why it's tilted, it will be like this. It's slightly tilted. So if we make it like this, just a square, it will be like this. So before we put this together, I'll be putting black sticker. It's up to you if you want to paint it, but for me, I will be putting black sticker here. For it to stick properly, we will use heat. Some guide here for holes. So it will stay in place. So let's mark. Like this. We will be using this magnet. As you can see, there's a screw here. We will remove that. We can use this wood screw, and we will put this on here. There you go. So you screw this on your wall. So at the back of your gamepad, put your metal plate here. It's double-sided tape. In my case, I've already put metal plate here, and just see. If for some reason your metal plate is sliding too much, like this one is sliding too much, you can put plastic tape here, like this one, packaging tape. Put this on here. This is for demonstration purposes only, but you can do it. See, it will not slide that much because it added some friction on the metal plate. So if you wiggle it, it will not move. It's much better if you put the packaging tape first and then you stick the metal plate here. It's much easier that way. So this one has packaging tape. And this one also has packaging tape. So it's firm. Okay, I suggest that you use this kind of magnet and not this, because this one is a very weak magnet. It cannot hold the weight of this gamepad. Instead of using this, use this magnet. So this is the hanging gamepad holder. So let me show you some trick. So you can do that to your hanging gamepad holder. So the rotating will work on this gamepad. Since there's no obstruction at the back, it can move really like that one. This one, you cannot do that here because there's an obstruction. As you can see here, there's obstruction, so you cannot rotate it. But this one, you can easily rotate this. If you want to make a rotating hanging gamepad holder, make sure that this magnet here can rotate. If you don't want it to rotate, just make this fixed, like this one, it's fixed. So if you have a big gamepad or a heavy gamepad, I suggest that you get much bigger metal plate and much bigger magnet like this one. That's how you make hanging gamepad holder. See? So if you like this video, click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more DIY just like this one, key mapping tutorials, gaming tutorials, reviews, and some other contents. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.